So today we got in this Canam X3 Max, coming in for a couple upgrades. I'll show you guys here in a minute. Here's a look at the car. Alright, so here are a couple of the pieces we got going on the car. We got a rugged radios kit, all going inside the car. Antenna, harness, mounts, pretty much everything you need here that you guys see to go ahead and make the system work. We're also going to be running this audio filter. Nobody wants no staticky connections and whatnot, so that's going to be going in. We're also going to be throwing in a Mac Air pumper. Got it right here. Just 2-person for now. Eventually we're going to go with all 4 on this car. And then as you guys can see right here in the back, we are going to be running an auxbeam for all of his lights. All right, now that you guys seen what's about to go on the car, we could go ahead and start the process of installing everything. So now we got the passenger seat front and rear removed, as well as all panels, exposing the whole harness, making it a lot more accessible for us to work in this area. The first thing we got installed was the Mac Air helmet pumper system. Got it all mounted in the front. Wiring already installed. Just need to tighten everything up. But we ended up putting the switch right here, so that way passenger and driver can both control it. Here's the auxbeam switch panel in action. Forgot to record the process, but here it is. Also, while taking out the car, the customer noticed that front end bulkhead was loose. As you can see in this video, every time I hit the brakes, something fell off, so I went ahead and checked it out. As you guys can see here, everything's loose. So if you feel anything funny on your car, just go ahead and bring it in for service, because you might not know, but things could be loose, you're driving pretty quick in the dirt. And here's a video of how they came out after. Tightened up the whole bulkhead and everything was good to go. So right here are the aux beam switches that ended up mounting. Everything's functional, strobe works, everything. Go ahead and turn on the car, show you guys a bit. We hit the switch for the intercom, powered up, push the talk right here. And then for the aux beam makeup strobe, double click this and go ahead and double click whatever you want, strobing, not the rock lights. Everything else will make strobe.